Hey everybody. I'm finally back after almost 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks. I'm finally back. Thank you for your patience. I've got so much to talk to you all about. It's been a pretty exciting period of time, and I've completely changed my brokers. I left Toss. I'm going to get into that. So I'm going to show you a live scalp trade in AMD from this morning. I'm going to show you the new broker that I'm using. I'm going to tell you why Toss is terrible for my style trading and why this new broker has made a huge difference. So let's roll the disclaimer real quick. I'm just a guy trading stocks. Don't listen to me. I'm just sharing my experience. And let's jump into this. So really exciting day this morning. As you can probably tell, up here you can see I've jumped into Interactive Brokers IBKR Pro. This is an ultra fast trading platform for stocks, for options. I'm going to actually do a video where I get into the ins and outs of sort of how I set things up. There are so many configurations. It would probably take me a year to go through and make videos on everything, but I will show you exactly what I've been doing with it. And it's very fast with its fills. You pay for your orders, you pay commissions. I'm going to show you some of that. And it's just very lightweight. You can configure it to be very simple, which is how I have it set up. And the other thing is placing an order with it is lightning fast. And I'll show you a little bit of that today. And actually, you know what? Let me just show you real quick. So let's jump over here. So you can see right here, this is the only chart I have on here. This is a 15-minute chart. And over here, you can see my activity for the day. And then down here, you're just going to see, this is sort of the order entry area. Now, what I've configured is a way to enter my orders without having to deal with configuration over here. And I will get into this in another video, but real quick, I'm just so excited about how quick this is, I just want to show it to you. So what I do, let's say I want to get short. All I do is come over here, see this sell stop button? All I do is punch that button, and then I come up here. Now see, as I drag my mouse up, there's that red line. That's my order, and I can place it wherever I want. So let's say I want to get short below 89.50. I can go to 89.50, and then all I do is punch the button, and there's my order. So you can see it over here. It's a little hard to see right there, but if I come over here, click my orders, and I go to live orders, you can see all the details right here. You can see my sell to get short, and then you can see my stop loss, my buy, and you can see my limit, which is my target. So in one click, well, 2 clicks, I put a bracket order on my screen to get short with a stop loss and a take profit. And get this, when the trade moves a certain distance in my favor, IBKR Pro automatically moves my stop loss from where it is to break even. So as many of you know, if you've followed any of my videos or watched any of my older stuff, I like to wait until I get 40 cents in my favor profit, and then I like to move my stop loss to break even. Well, with IBKR Pro, I don't touch anything. Once 40 cents profit hits, it auto updates my stop loss to break even. So I'm just hands off. Once I put this on, I just leave it alone. Now, the state that it's in right now, you can see these T's next to it. You can see the T's over here. These are the transmit buttons. If I hit the transmit button, that makes the order officially live. Right now, it's just set up and waiting. Whether I transmit it or not, I can still do this. See this, how it changes to an arrow when I go over that? Watch what I can do. I can move the bracket wherever I want. If I want to set the bracket up right here, okay, perfect. Oh, I want to move it down? Let's move it down. I can do whatever I want with it. I can move it up, down, wherever, in just a quick drag. And then when I'm ready for it to go live, I can either just punch this T button here, or I can punch the transmit over here, and then it's live. So this makes it super amazing for a trade setup like I like to take, because I watch that last 15-minute candle of the pre-market, and then I might have to auto update my bracket right before the market opens. I need to be able to do it really quickly because I like to scalp the open. This makes it perfect. Now, if I want to take it off, I just hit cancel all, and it's gone. So that's how simple it is. Now, I'm going to jump into this trade and show this to you. It's very quick, but I want to set it up for you here. you can see this is the last 15-minute candle forming in the pre-market. Now when the market opens, I'm looking to take it short but 10 cents below the low of this candle. I'm looking for 63 cents of profit. That's where this target is, and I have a 25-cent stop loss automatically placed. This is a 2.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio. It's just my preference. You guys can tweak that however you want. I've got a video here about R values and risk and reward. You can kind of check that out and see if you don't have all the information on that. So I'm going to play this. You're going to see I do get breached to the downside, and this is a pretty quick hitter. So you're going to see my order right here waiting to get filled. Market's about to open about 10 seconds out. You can see the timer here. So we'll just wait and see how this one goes. All right, market open. Volume comes in heavy. I got breached there. I'm filled. Now you can see my stop loss here and my take profit down here, that thin blue line. And you can see it almost filled. I get a partial fill and then a full fill, and I'm out. And then what it does is after it fills my order, it then will cancel my stop loss. So it cancels everything out. And that's all it took, 16 seconds. So I want to show you here on the P&L for the day. So in Interactive Brokers, if you go to Summary, you can click this and it'll show you exactly what happened today. So you can see I traded 200 shares on AMD, and then you can see the average bought, sold, and then you can see my commission. So this is going to be a new thing for me. I am paying commissions now for my trades because I don't want someone to take my order flow, put it in a pool somewhere, and then wait for those brokers to divvy it out. I want it to be direct to the exchange. And so that's exactly what I got. Was for $2.42, I got direct to the exchange, direct access fills, which were very, very quick. And you can see my realized P&L. So on 200 shares, I'm looking for a 63-cent profit minus commissions, left me with $124. So 2.5R to start the week out for me. I'm really excited to keep showing you guys this. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a video, but you're going to see this new format. You're going to see this new trading setup. You're going to see me taking lightning quick trades. And I'm going to start to increase my size as I'm getting comfortable with the platform. So I think tomorrow I will likely trade 300 shares and then 400 shares. And I'm just going to slowly start legging back in. And then getting into next week, I'm hoping to get back up to full size where I feel comfortable with all the settings. I know my way around the platform and just overall just feel comfortable taking larger trades again. So I hope this was helpful. It's so good to see you guys. Drop me a comment below. Just tell me hello. Let me know what you've been up to. Tell me how your trading's been going. And then as always, I'm going to be updating you with the end of the month totals. January is going to be really bizarre because I think I traded a couple days right after the first and then nothing until today. And I'm doing very small size. So I'll show it to you. I'm not sure if it's worth doing a January update. We might have to just skip until February. But we're up and running now. A lot of big changes, a lot of things to share with you guys. If you have questions, drop them below. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more of this content, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and come over to our Facebook group. If you go to the YouTube banner, you'll see a link to a Facebook group. Come on over there. I'll approve you. I think we're up to 216 people, so come join us over there. And also, if you're interested in a Tradervue account to track your trades, there's a link in the YouTube banner, and there's also a link in the description. That's the best way to support the channel, and I'd really appreciate it. So, hope this was helpful. Hope you had a green day, and we'll see you tomorrow.